How to delete iPhone contacts. As our lives become more digitized, our iPhones store more and more personal information, including contacts. Over time, our contact lists can become cluttered and filled with duplicates, outdated information, and even contacts we no longer need. We will see in this video how to remove a single contact and also what can you do if you wish to remove multiple contacts. So let's see for now how to delete an iPhone contact. Open the Contacts app on your iPhone. This app is usually located on the home screen and has an icon that resembles a book with a person's silhouette. Also, you can tap on the Call button. Then tap on Contacts from the bottom. Locate the contact you want to delete by scrolling through your list or using the search function. Keep your finger on the contact you want to delete. From the menu that pop-up, tap on Delete Contact. A confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the contact. To confirm the deletion, tap on Delete Contact again. The contact will now be removed from your iPhone's contact list. By following these easy steps, you can quickly and easily remove any unnecessary contacts from your iPhone. How to delete multiple contacts on iPhone. Despite all of the advancements, the iPhone still doesn't natively support removing numerous contacts at once, as we're sure the majority of you already know. If you need to remove multiple contacts, this will actually be very time-consuming. So what can you do? There are a couple of different ways to remove several contacts on an iPhone simultaneously. On your iPhone, you can erase several contacts by using the third-party software called Groups. Let's install the app and see how we can remove multiple contacts on iPhone. Tap on the App Store. Tap on the search icon. Write Groups on the search field. After you find the Groups app, tap on Get. Follow the on-screen instructions. For every type of iPhone, it could be different. After the app is installed, tap on Open. After installing the Groups app, follow the on-screen prompts. Tap Let's Get Started. Tap OK to allow Groups to access your contacts. Now the app will do a short tutorial. Follow the on-screen tutorial. After the tutorial is finished, you will get to this page. Choose All Contacts. Select the contacts you want to remove. Tap Choose Action at the top. Tap Delete Contacts. To confirm, tap Remove from my iPhone. You have now deleted multiple contacts from your iPhone. You can remove now the app if you no longer use it. Thank you for watching this. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.